Grandpa keeps us safe from harm. With their stories old and new, every day feels bright and true. Grandma, Grandpa, we love you. Thank you for the things you do. Smiles and giggles every day. With you we learn, laugh, sing and play. Grandma makes the best treats too. Grandpa reads and fixes things too. Holding hands we learn and grow. You teach us all we need to know. Grandma, Grandpa, we love you. Thank you for the things you do. Smiles and giggles every day. With you we learn, laugh, sing and play. If we're sad, you wipe our tears. Whisper love into our ears. Be kind, be brave, be honest too, and we'll always believe in you. Grandma, Grandpa, we love you. Big warm hugs and thank you too. Jump with joy and shout yoo-hoo! Grandma, Grandpa, we love you.
Don't forget to give a warm hug to your grandparents and say thank you. We hope you all enjoyed the song. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.